Do you want a present? Mia, you want a present? Mia, do you want a present? Yeah? Oh my God. What's in there? Check it out. That's a big bag. You want some help? There you go. Wait, look. Mia, check what's in there. A purse! Gosh. Look at that purse. What else is in there? It's another purse! Yay! Is there anything else in there? Oh my gosh, another purse! Oh my gosh, what else is in there? What else? Whoa! A little purse! That's cool. Can we open it? Look, it has the Eiffel Tower on it. It must be French. Ooh! What do you put in there? Put it in your purse and put your purse on your shoulder. Grab one of those purses. Can Mommy see the purse? Can I see that purse? I'll hold that. Oh my gosh. Want to try it on? There you go. Can you wave? Say hi. Say thank you. Can you say thank you? Can you say it louder? Say bye. No? No?